My name is Daniel Shake. I'm a third-year PhD student majoring in geology at Portland State University. My research expertise is in lunar meteorite geochemistry, and I'm also a meteorite classifier with 282 meteorites that I've classified over the past 5.5 years. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to encourage other undergraduate students or anybody interested in meteorite science on how they can get into the field, and to provide guided examples of how we scientists actually classify meteorites, because there's sort of a lot of false information out there on other YouTube channels on meteorite education. I think it's very important to sort of bring light to what we actually do when we classify a meteorite, the science behind it, the full procedure with full transparency, and reasons why I would say your sample is or is not a meteorite. So stay tuned. I'm going to have a full-on series with the meteorite classification procedure from start, for when I get the sample, to finish, which is when I actually submit the sample to the Meteoritical Bulletin Database. So I hope you will enjoy this journey alongside me, and I will guide you along the full process. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.